Hey everybody, it's Haley, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make my very favorite granola. It's a honey pecan granola. I spent a lot of time testing this recipe out because I really just wanted it to be very simple and easy and also kind of healthy for you at the same time. And delicious, of course. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is mix together my oats. I have 2 cups of oats, and then I have a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon and a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, or if you don't have kosher salt, then just do like a little bit less of the table salt. Since it's finer than kosher salt, sometimes it can make it taste a little bit saltier. Anyways, then we're going to add 1/2 cup of chopped pecans, or if you want to do other nuts, you can. But that's what I'm doing. Goodbye. Okay. And I'm just going to mix all this together. The instructions for this recipe in my notes were very vague, so if I get this right, I'll be very happy. And then we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of honey and a 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil. And I'm just going to stir all of this together until it is well combined. Right, once you're done stirring that together, we are going to get a pan, and you're going to want to line it with parchment paper, and then I'm going to pour all of this on the pan. And then you can just use your spatula to press it into a nice even layer, and make sure you press it together very tightly if you want to have like clumpy granola. Clumpy granola? I don't know about you, but personally, I like the big chunks of granola instead of just like the little granola pieces falling everywhere. So just pack it together. And once you're done, it should look something like this. And that's it. It's super simple, and now we're ready to bake it. My oven is preheated to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to bake this for about 30 minutes. Alright, so once the granola is out of the oven, we are going to let this sit to cool completely before we break it apart. After your granola is cooled down, then you can take it and break it up. I'm going to put it in this bowl here to make it easier. And the nice thing about using parchment paper is that now you don't have a pan to clean. This looks crazy. Okay. Seriously, look at how delicious this looks. So 2 thumbs up. It's the perfect balance between crunchy and chewy and sweet and salty, and it's just, you need to try this. It was super easy too. There's no reason that you should not be making homemade granola. Thank you so much for baking with me today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell if you want to know every time I post a new video. And drop me some video ideas for either things you want to see me bake or like challenge ideas. And I'll see you next time. Bye! This recipe, if I can turn it around. Ah. Serious? Oh no, I turned the camera the wrong way. Oh well.